Hi students, today we are going to learn lesson 1. The lesson name is The World in a Wall. What's the meaning of the world in a wall? The meaning is the earth with all its countries and people. This lesson is taken from Gerard Durer's autobiography, My Family and Other Animals. What's the meaning of autobiography? Autobiography means is an account of a person's life written by that person. Who is Gerard Durrell? Durrell was expert in studying animals when it was written this lesson. When Durrell was 10 years old, his family moved to Corfu, an island in Greece, to live with Durrell's older brother Larry. It was here that Durrell began to collect and keep animals as pets. What's the meaning of pets? Pets means a tame animal kept for company and pleasure. Tame means not dangerous. Now, we will go through the lesson very simple way. Gerard Durrell was small boy like you. He was so kind and affectionate in nature. He was very fond of animals. One day, he was looking through one old building wall. He saw many different kinds of small animals. Some are dancing with each other, some are playing with each other, some are fighting with each other. So, while he was watching, he saw one fat scorpion with her children. Children were playing with their mother. Gerard Durrell wanted to catch the scorpion, but he knew that his mother will not allow to bring the scorpion at home. So what he did? He took one matchbox and put Mother Scorpion and her children. Afterwards, he went home. At that time, all were having lunch. So, he kept the matchbox on the top of cupboard. By the time Larry, his older brother, finished his lunch. So, he wanted to take one cigarette. So, he was searching for matchbox. Finally, he got it. When he opened the matchbox, all the baby scorpions with Mother Scorpion came out. And Mother Scorpion climbed Larry's hand and he screamed and shook his hand. Mother Scorpion and baby scorpion scattered in the dining room here and there. All were frightened and became freezing. And their pet dog named called Roger. He also worried about that. Roger thought one lady came from outside, name is Logerisna. Because of her presence, all were become worried and troubled. So, Roger started biting her on her lower leg. Things were not good after that. Afterwards, situation slowly became calm and quiet. Then another that means Gerard Durrell picked up infant scorpions with Mother Scorpion from dining room to the matchbox. After that, all family people and pet dog Roger become peaceful. Now, let us learn some of the new words from the chapter. First of all, crumbling, break, sagging, sink, dam, slightly wet, toss, tailless amphibian, geckos, a tropical lizard, hunting, chase and kill a wild animals for food, beneath, extending, moth, an insect like a butterfly.
The World in a Wall. Gerald Durrell found scorpions quite charming. He often ripped away sections of plaster to observe them. By crouching under the wall at night with a torch, he caught glimpses of their courtship dances. One day, Durrell found a fat female scorpion in the wall, wearing what first appeared to be a pale fawn fur coat, which actually turned out to be a mass of tiny babies clinging to their mother's back. Durrell decided to smuggle them into his house so that he could watch the babies grow up. He quickly put the mother and its babies into a matchbox and carried them inside the house. He kept the matchbox on the mantelpiece. Larry having finished his lunch, proceeded to light a cigarette and unfortunately picked up the same matchbox. As soon as he opened it, the scorpion mother, probably annoyed at being shut up inside a matchbox for so long, seized the first opportunity to escape. Larry, feeling the movement of her claws, glanced down to see what it was, and from that moment things got increasingly confused. He uttered a roar of fright that made Lugurezia drop a plate and brought Roger out from beneath the table, barking wildly. With a flick of Larry's hand, the scorpion went flying down the table, and as it landed there, the baby scattered like confetti on the tablecloth. The creature sped towards Leslie, who leapt to his feet, overturning his chair and flicked out desperately with his napkin, sending the scorpion rolling across the cloth towards Margot. She let out a scream that any railway engine would have been proud to produce, and hurled a glass of water at the scorpion. The Shah missed the animal but drenched Darrell's mother, who sat gasping at the end of the table. Roger, mystified by the panic and under the mistaken impression that the family was being attacked, thought that it was his duty to defend them. As Lugurezia was the only stranger in the room, Roger bit her in the ankle. It only made matters worse. After a while, a certain amount of order was restored, and the family retired to the drawing room. Darrell spent half an hour going around the room, picking up the scorpion babies with a teaspoon, and returned them on their mother's back. He carried the scorpion family outside and very reluctantly released them onto the garden wall.